Hello and welcome to Fintek. I would like to introduce Fintek to those who are not familiar with it. A young, dynamic and innovative company that began its operations in 1995 and that continues to operate in its new and larger facilities in Faetano, where its headquarters are located. For years, we've been developing air conditioners with no visual impact on buildings, that is, without an outdoor unit, but with antibacterial and anti-Legionnaire's disease air filtering, as well as universal spare parts for our air conditioners. Our manufacturing sites are located in San Marino, Italy, and one in the People's Republic of China, just like the majority of air conditioner manufacturers. The following is a brief summary of how we're organized. Our sales office is always reachable both in person and by phone. Business meetings are on the daily agenda to improve the performance of our professionals and the end user. We prepared a showroom for you to view the products in person and touch them and judge which ones would be best suited for your needs. From the monoblock product range without external unit to the new foldaway split lines and water-cooled units. You can also visit us by appointment. We are very active in the area of social marketing. Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Ediportale. We keep you updated and you can follow us with the latest news. Our operators manage 2 dedicated support lines for professionals and for private users who use our products and need technical or commercial consulting services. The professionalism of our warehouse, shipping and manufacturing departments complete the quality service we provide. A guarantee of proper operation is our duty, but you can always make use of our authorized service centers whenever you need to. They are located across Italy and they can also be contacted via Facebook and Messenger. Fintek. Redesign your feelings. Success guaranteed.